Good evening, students. In previous class, in previous session, we discussed about something about parabola, general equation of parabola and standard form of parabola, and small problems we already discussed. Now we are going to discuss some other things related to parabola, and we will go to 7 marks problems. First, we have to discuss some definitions regarding parabola, that is, chord of parabola. If we let s a comma 0 be the focus of the parabola and x dash y dash, this is vertex a, and there will be directrix. If p is any point on the parabola, then we have to define chord, focal chord, and double arched lattice spectrum. So many things we have to discuss. First, chord of the parabola. What do you mean by chord of the parabola? Any 2 points lies on the parabola. Joining of any 2 points, the line segment joining of any 2 points on the parabola is known as chord of the parabola. Let P is a point and Q is another point, P x1 y1, Q x2 y2. Then the line segment joining of P and Q, that is PQ, is called the chord of the parabola. What do you mean by parabola? The chord of the parabola, the line segment joining of any 2 points on the parabola is called the chord of the parabola. This is chord. Okay. I don't write the definition, you have to write by your own words. Next, focal chord. What do you mean by focal chord? It is also a chord, but it should pass through the focus of the parabola. That means if we join any 2 points and passing through focus is called the focal chord. We can draw so many focal chords. Suppose this is a R is there, x3 y3. If we join P and R like this also focal chord, this is focal chord, this is also focal chord. Okay. A chord which is passing through the focus is called the focal chord of the parabola. Okay. Next, double argument. What do you mean by double argument? It is, I will write, show you. Any line segment, any 2 line segment joining on the 2 points lies on the parabola and which is parallel to axis is known as double ordinate. This is also a double ordinate, this is also a double ordinate. We can draw so many double ordinates. Okay, this is about double ordinate. Next, fourth one is very important point, it is lattice rectum. If a double ordinate which is passing through focus is called double ornate. That is, it should be like this. This is latus rectum, this is double ornate. Okay, that is the difference between focus double ornate and latus rectum. Latus rectum is also a double ornate, but it passes through focus. Okay, these lines should be perpendicular to the axis of the parabola, that is here x-axis. Then we have to find the length of lattice rectum also. This is A. Let this is F, A comma 0. If we draw a lattice rectum perpendicular to axis of the parabola, let this is a point P and this is P dash. The x1 y1 x2 y. Then the distance between P to A, P to F is 2A. This is also length of 2A. PF is 2A and SP dash is 2A. Then the length of PP dash, that is lattice rectum, is 4A. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 4A, where A comma 0 is the focus of the parabola. Okay. By using this formula, you can find the length of lattice rectum. If A and because x, this is the focus A, this is A and this is A dash, like that, we have to find the length of lattice rectum. Here we have to discuss one more thing, that is focal distance. Focal distance, let S be the focus and P be any point on the parabola. Then the distance between P to S, the length of any point on the P to the focus is called focal length. It can be find by x plus a. The length of focal length is equal to x1 plus a. If x1 p, x1, y1 is the point, yes, a comma 0 is the focus, then length of focal length is, that is the distance of p, be any point on the line, on the parabola, and S be the focus of parabola, then SP is called the focal length. Okay. Next we have to discuss various forms of equations of parabola, focus of parabola, and in various cases. If we can discuss like this, the first one is suppose in this way parabola described, then vertex, focus, equation of directrix and equation of parabola and equation of axis of parabola. We have to find these 5 things we have to know, well known, we have to know about this in various cases. If this is the focus, this is the vertex. If positive x-axis is the axis of parabola, then for vertex be 0, 0, vertex focus be a, 0, and equation of directrix. This is let P be there. The equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a because yes, a is equal to a z. This is a, 0. This is minus a, 0 zb. Then equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a. So if we bring that to right side, x is equal to minus a or x plus a is equal to 0, we can write. Then equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, that is the standard form. Equation of axis is x-axis, that is y is equal to 0. Similarly, in second case, the parabola is left side of the axis, that is if negative x-axis is the axis, then vertex be 0, 0 and focus be minus a, 0, and equation of directrix it should be in the positive side. So this is x is equal to a, that implies x minus a is equal to 0. Then equation is y square is equal to minus 4ax, and equation of axis is y is equal to 0, that is x-axis only. In this way, we have to take third case. If parabola is upwards with vertex origin like this, let this be s, the vertex be a, vertex a. Then coordinates of vertex 0, 0, then coordinates of focus B 0, a, then equation of directrix is like this, that is y is equal to a or y minus a is equal to g. Sorry, y is equal to minus a. Since it b in the negative downwards of the x-axis, so it should be minus. This is x is equal to, sorry, y is equal to minus a. This is x is equal to a. This is x is equal to minus a. So we can write this y plus a is equal to 0. And equation of the parabola may be e is equal to x square is equal to 4ay. It is symmetric with y-axis. In first two cases, the parabola is symmetric with x-axis, but in this case, it is symmetric with the y-axis. So x square is equal to 4ay. Then equation of axis is y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. In this way, in fourth case, if the parabola is like this, downwards of x-axis, then vertex a be there. This is y, this is y dash, x, x. Then focus be here, then directrix will be here. Then vertex be 0, 0 and focus be 0, it is on negative side, 0, minus a, and equation of directrix be y is equal to some positive a, y is equal to e. That implies if we bring the right left side, y minus a is equal to 0. Here x square is equal to minus 4ay and axis is equal to 0. These four cases you have to familiar, you have to know. Similarly, here fifth case, it should be like this. That means vertex should not be equal to origin, but the axis is parallel to x-axis. Then vertex be here. Let the vertex h comma k, h comma k. Then equation of this axis is y is equal to k. Then equation of directrix should be equal to, this is origin. This is, what will be here? This is s a comma, sorry, from distance from origin to here x, this is a. So the coordinates of h plus a comma k, h plus a comma k is the focus. Then directrix, equation of directrix may be the total distance minus a. We have to x is equal to h minus a. Vertex be h comma k, then focus be h plus a comma k. Then equation of directrix may be x is equal to h minus a. That implies x minus h plus a is equal to 0. Equation of parabola may be y minus k. It is in the form of y minus k whole square. By comparing this, we can write easily y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into, instead of x we have to write x minus h by using transformation of axis in 1b, in first year 1b. So that we can write the equation of axis is y is equal to k, y is equal to k, or y minus k is equal to 0. In sixth case, if the parabola is parallel to, axis is parallel to x-axis, and like this in left side, then s be here, h comma k is the a vertex, then directrix is there. Then h comma k is the vertex, and here h minus a comma k is the focus. Then the equation of directrix be x is equal to h plus a, or x minus h minus a is equal to 0. We can take anyone. Then the equation of parabola may be y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. Only difference is minus 4a here plus 4a. Equation is, equation of x is equal to y is equal to k, that is y minus k is equal to 0. Same. There is no change in equation of axis. Okay. The remaining two forms are there. Next, seventh one is, if axis is parallel to y-axis, then what will be? And it turns upwards, then vertex a, h comma k, vertex may be taken as h comma k. Then what will be the focus? This is origin. The directrix will be here, focus be here. Then what will be the focus? H comma, here difference is k plus a, k plus a. Then the equation of directrix may be here y is equal to k plus k minus a. Then equation of parabola may be, it is taken as the, from bringing this by comparing with this x minus h whole square. Instead of x we can write x minus h is equal to 4a into y minus k. Instead of y we can write y minus k. Then equation of axis may be, let's the equation of this x is equal to h. X is equal to h, or x minus h is equal to 0. That is the equation of parabola. In eighth case, if parabola is like this, parallel axis is parallel to y axis and it towards downwards, then focus may be here and vertex h comma k. Okay. The directrix is will be here like this. Then vertex be h comma k. Then focus be h comma k minus a, since it is downwards the x-axis. So it should be negative. And equation of directrix may be y is equal to k plus a. That implies y minus k minus a is equal to 0. This we can take. Similarly, equation of parabola may be x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k, and the equation of axis may be this is x is equal to h. That implies x minus h is equal to 0. These 8 cases you have to know very well to solve problems. First one is, first 4 cases, in first four cases vertex should be equal to 0 comma 0, that is origin, that is the intersecting point of x axis and y axis. Next 4 cases, the vertex may be shifted to h comma k from origin. Then by the transformation of axis we can find the coordinates of focus and equation of directrix and equation of parabola and equation of axis also we can find by using that. Another one is there, that is the axis should not be parallel with either x-axis or y-axis. Then how will be there, we have to know. In ninth case, this is origin x o x dash, y o y dash. Axis of parabola does not parallel with either x-axis or y-axis. That means like this, it may be like this. This is x-axis of parabola. Then let the point of vertex h comma k and directrix. In this case, let S be alpha comma beta. We don't know about, here be vertex k. Then P x comma y be any point on the parabola. The distance between from P to S and P to M should be equal. That is the definition of parabola. PM is equal to PS. Let us be here. In this case, vertex may be taken as A comma B. This is A H comma K. There is no need to find these things by don't using Here vertex may be h comma k. Then focus alpha comma beta. Equation of directrix may be taken as Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Then we have to find the equation of parabola. That is Ps, Sp is equal to Pm by the definition of parabola. Sp by Pm is equal to E is equal to 1. Sp is equal to Pm, that implies Sp square is equal to Pm square. What is Sp? This is x1, y1, alpha, beta. That means that implies x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to perpendicular distance from P to M is Pm whole square. That is perpendicular distance, friends. The equation of directrix is Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. We know how to find the perpendicular distance in 1D by using that formula. Instead of x there, that means Lx plus my plus n whole square by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, that is m square l square plus n square. That is the equation of parabola. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to Lx plus my plus n whole square by l square plus m square. Then what will be the equation of axis? We have to know the axis. This is perpendicular and passing through alpha comma beta. We know in first year 1B, equation of a line passing through alpha comma beta and perpendicular to given ax plus by plus c we can find by using that formula. Equation of axis is, what will be the x minus, what is here Lx, so m into x minus alpha minus coefficient of L is L into L into y minus beta should be equal to 0. This is m into x minus alpha minus L into y minus beta is equal to 0 is the axis of parabola. If axis does not parallel to if x axis and also y axis. Okay. Now we will go to problem solving. Here we have to discuss one another point, that is, if axis is parallel to axis of parabola is parallel to x axis, then the equation of parabola may be in the form of, these two are very important points. If axis of parabola is parallel to x axis, then the equation of parabola may be in the form of x is equal to ly square plus my plus n, and if axis of, similarly, if axis of parabola is parallel to y axis, then the equation of parabola may be taken as y is equal to lx square plus mx plus n. These two are very important points you have to remember. Depend on this concept, there should be a 7 marks problem in our public exam. So we can take one problem.